How to add HTML code in GoDaddy website builder. Want to add custom features or integrate third-party tools in your GoDaddy website? Embedding HTML code is a straightforward way to enhance your site's functionality and design. Let's walk through these steps together. First, navigate to your GoDaddy website, log into your account and go to the dashboard section, and this is exactly how the dashboard look like. Once on the dashboard, you can see a list of options on your left hand side. Over here, from the option, go to website. Simply scroll down and you can see an option for the edit website over here. Tap on edit website. That will take you to the edit site section or interface. Once you're in the interface, you can see a plus button on your page. You can see it over here and at the different part of the page. Now what you have to do is simply tap on add section, which is over here. Tap on it. That will open up your sidebar. Now on the sidebar, search for HTML code. Okay, you can see HTML over here. Simply tap on add over here and that section will open up on your site like this. Now what you have to do is simply copy the HTML code that you want to embed on your website. Let's copy some random one. Let's copy this one. Let's go here and paste it over here. Skip this title image. So I'm using this sidebar over here to embed the image. Now you can also edit the themes from here. You can also change the themes, fonts and many more from this site. For now, let's keep it as it is. Let's go back and it have added a section for you. And once done, simply tap on done over here. And that's it. You have successfully embedded HTML code into your GoDaddy website builder. This allows for a wide range of customization. Give it a try and explore the possibilities. And lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.